Hey guys, welcome back to Basad's Kitchen. Today we are doing a really cool recipe. We are making Mexican taco salad with deep fried tortilla bowls, and we're gonna use this awesome tool to make perfect tortilla bowls. So without any further ado, let's get started because this is Basad style. So let's go over the ingredients really quick, but no worries, I'll have all the recipes in the description box. So we have salt, granulated garlic, oregano, black pepper, we have Spanish paprika, cumin powder, red chili powder, we have Monterey Jack cheese, guacamole, diced tomatoes, onions, and sour cream. Here I'm using 2.5 pounds of chopped meat. I have the lettuce already cut. We're gonna use iceberg because I like a little crunch in my salad. I am using 12-inch white tortilla wraps or flour tortilla wraps. Now I'm gonna show you the coolest thing in the world. So this is the device we use to make perfect tortilla bowls. So we put the wrap in nice and snug, and I take this to press it down, and we just drop it in the fryer for like a few seconds. And when I take it out, it yields a perfect tortilla bowl. It's my favorite thing. I love this process more than I love the recipe because it is the coolest thing in the world. So let's get started, and it is Basad style. This recipe is gonna be in 3 parts. First, we're gonna make the taco meat. I'm gonna put the recipe for it in the description box. Then I'm gonna show you guys how to make the taco bowls, which is the coolest thing in the world. Then we're gonna assemble the salad, and obviously the 4th part is me crushing it. But that's besides the point. So I'm gonna show you how to make the meat. First we're gonna do is in half a cup of oil, we're gonna brown the meat. Put it in and we start breaking it down. Very gently. Make sure it doesn't clump up. Oil's gonna just keep folding it and keep working the meat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna brown the meat really good. And then I'm gonna put it in a colander, and I'm gonna drain all this extra liquid and oil out. And then we're gonna add the seasoning to it. The meat is completely brown, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of all of this liquid and oil because we don't need it. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it through my colander. To get everything out. So I'm gonna add the meat back in. I'm gonna dry out all the excess liquid. And then we're gonna start adding Add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. I like that better than adding garlic, fresh chopped garlic to it. Spread that evenly. So this is a taco seasoning mix, which the recipe I'm gonna put in the description box. So the measurement works is 3 tablespoons per pound. So we're gonna do about 2.5 pounds. So we have about 6 tablespoons. You know, my tablespoons are a little heavy, but once you guys make the mix, and if you feel like you want to make it less spicy, you can use 5, but I like it a little bite. Wow, look at the beautiful color. So what it's doing is the steam from the meat is hydrating it, and it's just becoming a part of the seasoning, which is the coolest thing in the world. Okay, so you can see meat is ready, and it looks beautiful and it smells amazing too. I'm gonna try it. I recommend you guys use a utensil, but wow, I could eat this pan with a spoon. It's amazing. Now let's make the taco bowls. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the taco bowls, and we're gonna put the tortilla in just like this, and make sure all the edges are in the wrap. Oh, looks good. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna send it in the fryer, and I'm gonna put pressure on it so it doesn't come up. Ouch. Be very careful when you do this, because wow. You're gonna take a sneak peek. Check it out. It looks hot. No. But you have to make it golden brown. It's almost there. So you put it in there for maybe 3 minutes. You don't want to overcook it, because once you take it out and it cools off with air, the tortilla bowl is gonna get even more crunchy and flaky and crispy. It's just, it's awesome. So now we're gonna take it out. Wow, look at that. All right guys, the cool part is over. Now we're gonna take it out and check it out. That's hot. Turn them upside down and I'm gonna let them cool off. So as they cool off, they're gonna get even more crunchy and awesome. And then we're gonna fill it up with our lettuce and all the cool stuff and serve it with the tortilla bowl. Guys, I want you to take a look at these beautiful tortilla bowls. I'm gonna check. Wow, look at that. How hot is this? So the premise is you put lettuce, tomato, onion, meat in it, and you break it from the side and you scoop it in, you eat the salad and your guacamole, salsa, and then you finish the whole thing. It's really cool. I'm gonna show you how it's done. Let's get it done. Start with lettuce. Not a lot, because you have so much stuff to put in, but definitely enough. Fill up a little bit more than halfway. So now I'm gonna add the meat. I like a lot of taco meat on my salad, so. I'm gonna add shredded cheese. This is my favorite salad. I mean, you can see it has a ton of meat on it. But I love making these. Diced onions, because I love onions. I'm gonna add some diced tomatoes. Put it right in the middle. You just take the guacamole. Right. Wow, check that. Again, I love making these. So much color, so much life. So this is it, guys. The taco bowls are ready. The color is gorgeous. I love how vibrant and beautiful they are. The meat is perfect, the smells, the consistency of the shell is gorgeous. They're nice and crispy. We are gonna serve it with sour cream, hot sauce, guacamole, salsa. My mouth is watering. Guys, this is the food I love cooking. This is the food I'm gonna serve in my own restaurant. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. The application for this is summer parties, iftar parties, any kind of parties, or you can just make it for your family because this is the awesomest thing you'll ever have because it is Basant style. All right, I'm gonna take it for a spin. So, rebuild it. Wow. This is messy. This is awesome. Wow. I'm gonna go back in. Oh my god, I'm a mess.